Hey guys, finally the Oregon weather has changed for fall. The flannels I see are out in full force and the pumpkin patch photos are overwhelming Facebook. Everything fall is in full effect here now. Now I'm going to break it up a bit by inserting my monthly video in there. So here's the October market report for Wilsonville. Now if you want to know more about stats on the other areas that you may live in, reach out and we can talk about your particular home. But home prices decreased this month in Wilsonville. The median sold price for Wilsonville in September was $640,000. This is a 10% decrease from last month. This is a pretty decent price drop, and it's expected for home prices to stabilize, decrease, whatever you prefer to call it, over the next coming months. Overall, though, the market in Wilsonville is still going well as there's low inventory. Now, speaking of inventory, the inventory for Wilsonville in September decreased by 28% to 29 active listings. Now, this limited inventory and great Wilsonville community still makes it a great market for sellers. But homes are sitting on the market longer. So for all you sellers out there, try and stay calm, as homes are not selling in 2 days anymore. What I've been seeing is the days homes are on market are getting back to a much more normal level. Say 30 to 45 days really isn't uncommon as this market is changing. So it's really important to go into a sale with a strategic plan and marketing strategy. I recommend chatting with someone, more specifically me, about how to get the highest return on your investment before you go about listing it. It can save you thousands to go into this market with an expert to help. Especially in this changing market, it's more important than ever to have a good real estate agent. Now the median days on market for Wilsonville was 20. As I was saying, home sales are still good here, and though 20 days is a significant increase from last month, that many days on market historically is still low. It's just taking more patience and good marketing to get your home in front of the most eyes. So those are the stats for Wilsonville for this month. If you're looking to buy or sell in the next 12 months, give me a call and we can talk about getting you the highest return on your home or the best deal for a home when the time comes to buy or sell. I hope you guys are all doing great. You've got the flannels on and you are enjoying this change in weather. We'll talk to you next month. See ya.